Yes, it's true. It reminds me of Ibera Star. It really does. It really, really does. Yeah.
Those buses.
This is a brand new hotel, man. Everything just looks fresh
and fancy.
Yeah. That's nice. This is so effing nice. Holy shit, ocean coral. Bomba. This is really nice. Look at the view. So small. What are you doing? Huh? Oh, you helping her pack up? Yeah. That's so kind. Jaleel, come, we're packing up. Jal, come, we're packing up.
Mom, do something. Mom, do something very good.
Alright, go. You just go in there. Really good. I've been to so many hotels, and I'm telling you this, and I haven't been to the room, but it is really up there with Ibera Star and Icon Ibera Star. Yeah. I don't, maybe it's when I used to go there often. I don't even know Kiki from there. Yeah, actually, so yeah, and she know she from there. Oh, that was recent then. A long time ago on Rio. Years when I go there. Years. Hello? They're what? They're nice? Yeah, she really is. You want to live here?
Guys, let's go and get something to eat. How would you do that? Guys, we're going to get something to eat because I'm getting something.
Jal, we're going to get something to eat in my ear.
Mom just called me.
I am coming. I have to wait on my son. And I can get back warm.
Hello, but they're so little large.
Yeah. We're going to get something to eat. We're all hungry.
Can't let it go when the moment passes. I guess I'm only average. Blessings always come, but they go the fastest. I can't hold it back no more. Know you got a lot to give, yeah. I've been on the longest trip. I know I did you wrong, I did. I tried to get along, I did. I don't wanna lie. Are you ready to die? Got me like bye. Whoa. I can't let it go when the moment passes. I guess I'm only average.
You're dead? No! You're alive! Yay! You're dead! No! You're alive! Yay! Jonathan is still very rapid sick. What you want to eat? Burger. Alright, you have to wait till grandma come back because I can't leave Jonathan because he's sleeping, you hear? Mind a drop. Don't run! Gone? The bird left? That's why you're sad? You're hungry? Yeah, we're gonna have to wait until grandma comes. We can't go till grandma comes because my fancy is sleeping. I can't even by myself to sleep, you understand? I have to wait until grandma come back. You hear me? We're soon gonna get food, I promise. But we have to wait till grandma come back. I can't even open by myself. He's sleeping. See more blackbird over there, sir? So that means from our room, it's easier to go to the pool from our room. Bullshit. You feel away when I say it?
Sounds like a bad word.
A bad word. Okay, I can stop. I can say bull because sometimes I love saying shit. That's the thing. I can say bull. Okay. Say, but you know that whenever. Oh, Jonathan, look at this. Happy birthday. This is so nice. From Ocean Court. This is nice. That's such a nice touch. That's such a nice touch. Oh my god, the anniversary. Oh my good. No, Jolly, don't open it like a scammer. Why would you open it?
Where do you need it?
Oh, just put them on right behind you. Just put them right behind you and can pick them up on the bed. Yeah, can follow mommy.
Alright, so right here we have the closet.
Yes. Yes.
The drawers as well.
Thank you. You want ice cream? Soup on Jalil.
On this side, I have the safe along with the mini fridge.
Liquor in the mini fridge? Or just soda?
Yes, there should be liquor.
There should be alcoholic beverage. Alright, then I'm going to tip and I want to order pan the scene for tomorrow. Or pack the fridge for tomorrow.
No, it's on every day.
Oh, because my making noise, I just want a little more liquor, you know? Raw stuff? Yeah, this is nice. The bathroom is here. Ooh, Ralston. Oh no, this is really nice.
And the shower part is
Oh, there's a standalone shower. Oh, yes. The pool. Yes, the hotels that give me a standalone shower as well as a tub. Jonathan, have you seen the pool? How do I open this? Oh my God. Shit, Coral Springs. God damn it, man. God damn it, Coral Springs. I need look at the greenery over there. God is so God almighty good. I just want cause. That's how good I feel. It's really nice. You want to go for your ice cream? Go up in there. So go up more to the back. I want to sit in this, Jonathan, because I've never sat in one of them before. This is the lazy pool, mommy. If we were on the lower floor, we would have had a lazy pool. Right, for our room, right? So I can use this downstairs? Right, so this is for their room. Right, that's so romantic for their room. Whoa. I am quite aware. This is everything. Yes. This is so nice. Oh, you're pushing yourself, Papa. Go to him, Jonathan. I want both of you to sit down in here because I'm going to take a picture, okay, Jal? So just go up somewhere from all the way back. Go all the way back. Go back. Good job. All the way back. All the way back. Good job. No, I need to take a picture with both of you. Jaleel, stop.
Just separate.
But I don't want to take a separate picture. I have 2 children. That's unfair. Okay. You like it? Oh. Yeah. Alright, come on now. Let Jonathan do it. I want to take a picture of Jonathan in here. I want to take a picture of Jonathan in here. Come to this blouse. Come to this blouse and skirt. I don't fight you. Things I'm afraid of you.
I'm going to call Grandma Young.
Ouch.
Mommy, come take the picture. Come take the picture, Mommy. Come take the picture.
Alright, sit down. Jaleel.
Stop.
And I'll take it later. I'll take it tomorrow. I'm going inside now. You're coming. I'm taking my license. Yeah, he really is. But he wants to sleep too, so whenever they come inside. We're privileged.
Yeah,
What the shaving cream? They want your ice cream now? Okay, let's go. Oh, I can't wait to lie down. Jesus. I don't care. The one where the AC kicking the most. I want this one. AC is there, so we will pull it. Yeah, I know. You want ice cream? Bring it. Wait, come back, man. Close the door. You have to stay in here, Papa. I want ice cream too.
Put this in this iPad so you can stay in here, please, Simone.
Put what on this iPad? John, it's free, no? Okay.
No, there's a food.
What? Yes, ice cream. As I come in, I'm going to put the Wi-Fi on Jonathan's phone, okay? God, Jonathan's iPad. I got to soak off my nails. It is, but it's cold and nice, huh?
It's mega cold.
Oh, I'm so comfortable here. Boy, yes, Mama. You like this room, Jaleel? Tell me what you like. What you like? You like this and this? You want to drink wine from it later?
No, I didn't. I'm a person and me.
Okay, Jonathan and you. Okay, Papa.
Put it back. No, don't drop them like that. Take your time and put them down.
Jonathan, I want to be like you, but Jaleel wants ice cream. Using it. Alright, let's put on the Wi-Fi. I know, I'm gonna put the Wi-Fi on Jonathan's iPad, okay?
Oh. Okay, I didn't know. Okay. What's your right? No, don't put anything.
Jalila, want some drink in the fridge?
You drank something already?
This is privilege access? Or regular?
Or privilege? He got, Jalila got a juice already. When we wait.
And drink it up.
You're too provoking.
Rotted server not found. 958-6686. 958-66. Yeah, server not found. Reservation number, server not found. So we have to go back downstairs. Oh, maybe it's not privilege.
What's that one?
Let's go forget my drink. Mommy.
Yeah?
Peanuts.
Why don't ask for help? What's the help, Simone?
Mommy ate enough peanuts.
Bombitos can get some. Can you bring one for me?
Yeah, there's two of them.
Peanuts?
Yeah.
I think they have more than one peanut.
Yeah.
Bring it for me.
I want peanuts.
Oh, it's regular. I thought it was like honey roasted or something. Mama look confused. We want ice cream or not? You want ice cream, Jalila?
Mom, you want to do this?
Yes, please give it to me.
Not those two ones, but ice cream. I'll come back now.
Here, palm. Good job. You know, fun. That's why you're my firstborn. So my mommy never have mommy, have grandma as a baby. She had to have you as a baby because you know what mommy
Simone.
I didn't do deliberately, mommy. Pass it out for me, please.
Or maybe it's because I was on the bus.
No, because I don't know where Mark is. The bed.
I really want nachos. That nachos by the pool. That's what I want to eat ice cream. Yeah?
Yeah, but you can't just carry
You're not coming downstairs?
You are crazy.
But I want you to come. Oh, I love this hotel. I don't know what to tell you.
Mommy, you don't connect it.
I view her is not this pretty. I mean,
Mommy,
just the
you don't
aesthetic.
connect it.
No, go on the other. Go on the lobby.
No, we can't put them on.
Go on guest. Cause the other room, I don't
Yes,
know reservation
access.
number. Yeah.
Is mommy? Mom.
Yeah.
Yes, access.
Yes. Yeah. Whoa. Come. Yes. I know. There is a competition. No. It's right here. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes. No.
No.
Yes.
No. No.
Yes. Come here. I want to hug if I kiss you really, really tight.
Mommy,
Yeah. I think that's a movie theater. Ask grandma if they have a movie theater. Because that sign that says Showtime. Oh no, I was in there. I think they have a movie theater. Is that? That says Showtime. Wait, man. Whoa, Jonathan, I love these so much.
They're like sweet.
Yeah, and then I can relax. I can read in them, write, watch my YouTube videos. I'm going to get one for the apartment. I know, I'm going to get one for the apartment. Yeah, I'm going to get one for the apartment. I promise.
Like sweet, not these, those like sweet.
Yeah.
And they're collecting something.
Yeah.
So yeah, instead of buy them, I was saying buy them plastics here, like recycling here. They'll just put them hot many pages to recycle buy. Hey, that's
I'm going to do that. Whoa! Whoa! Come here, Jenny. Come here, come here, camera. Dinner, reservation. Yes! My God! Kill the ball, We're dead. We're definitely going to a restaurant tonight. What time do you think the restaurant reservations are? Like 6? 6, 8. Just, you can't connect from the free Wi-Fi because I'm my phone on the free Wi-Fi. Whoa! Yeah! Oh!
Mom, you want me to show you their boats?
Yeah?
This is our name, their boats.
Show me. Am I doing it?
No, you have to do this. Come like this.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh!
And I'm going to choose them zone that says star fry.
I can kiss you, Jalil.
5 seconds. It's like whenever I could actually
Jalil, where
so
are
I'm going to choose them zone that says star fry. And I saw star fry.
you? Hey! Sir? So Jonathan, now it's stop stir fry? Hey, come back to the glass, the back here, yeah? You can broke it. So when you're singing, mine. Jonathan, you hear me say go on whitey?
I loved it. Not too long ago.
Yeah, I know. When we're at the hotel, I know. Yeah, I said it for sure.
So towards it. And everybody was like so surprised. What they did. And just
Ooh, I want duck feathers. You want to push you? Jalil, you cannot jump out of something and ball out. I am finished. Let it go. Stop pushing it. Stop pushing it. Simone is holding it for you. Yeah? Yeah. Says, blow out a whole heap of drunk credit, you know? What them there? And they can't even see them. But them, see them there? Be a drunker. Lone drunker, five of them are Jonathan said, my son account properly. upside down 1. Whenever call the number 2, it done. Press
9144.
9144. Press 9. 4. No, 4 again. Very good. No, leave it. I'm going to talk to them on the speaker.
Hi.
No, not. It's upside down. You're cold, Jonathan. You have to take off your shirt because you've had that on all morning.
Hi.
I don't think you understand, Jonathan. I'm not trying to be rude to you, but you've had that on all morning. You are not feeling well. That's going to make you feel worse. You're more sick with those clothes on, bro. That's what I'm trying to let you know. Jolly, you take those clothes off. You're changing your clothes. We're not going anywhere. Just putting on your night clothes so I can go to bed. So because it's night time. Alright, come, Jonathan. You want to go home? Alright, then come. Come, give me this. Come, baby. Jazz, come, baby. Come, baby, stand up. Lie down. Lie down all the way. Yeah, lie down. Lie down all the way. Lie down. Put your head down on the sink. Yeah. Down. Move your hand, Jolly, you're afraid. Just lie down. Lie down. No. Turn it off.
Oh, yeah, you're in here.
Coming over. Huh? It's not understand. You're coming over. The rain starts, you know the rain starts?
Of course, it was raining.
Yeah?
It was raining, you mean if it stopped? Yeah, because rain starts.
Oh, it starts. Mommy, I don't know how to make this go down. I don't know what to do. This is for the jets, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Because we come so far.
Jalil. You like it? Oh, let me turn it off. What is it? Oh, you don't see him to be listening? No. I don't call him Bean.
Yes.
I call him mommy or grandma. You call him Bean. Yeah.
Come, Jazz.
Jolly, boy, no slap you and scratch the nails for your back. Come. Go on to Simone. No, we're going back tomorrow, okay? I have to take you out now because then I don't want you to get sick. Huh? We're going to get dinner. You want dinner? Yeah. Oh my God, Jalil, I think we're lost. Oh, let's go downstairs. It is raining. Yes. Yeah. You want to do it small? You want to do it small? Jalil. You push me off? Don't push me. You can kiss me off. You going to show my vagina? Jalil. Alright, go on the scale now, Papa. So put down your hand. Yes. Look in front of you. Hold your head straight. That's what your waist is. What, Jalil? You're a heavy. You're almost 30 pounds. Look. See a number here? 30 pounds? Yeah, you're like 28, 29 pounds. You're 1 pound. 1 pound. So you tell me say only weigh 1 pound. Is that arrow? Come, get up. What? You want me? Don't touch me. I already weigh myself. I'm a fat woman. Oh, you want to stay with me? Go to grandma. Yeah? Who bites you? That's not true. No. Come now, come. Come. Sorry. Don't call my name. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not hungry. No.
What you want?
You want burger?
Yeah.
Burger.
Do you believe in love? 'Cause I believe in love. You're the one that I want. I can show you love. You're the one that I want. Do you believe in love? 'Cause I believe in love. You're the one that I want. I can show you love. You're the one that I want. Give you something to believe in. I'll show you the reasons. I won't come and go like seasons. Show you the birds and bees and I'll keep your heart beating. Ain't no need for misleading. No need for misconception. No need for no deception. 'Cause I promise if you follow, lead you in the right direction. You'll never be misguided. I'll show you where the light is. I'll show you how bright the love is. I'll show you how bright the love is. Loving you is right, baby, baby. And touching you is right, baby, baby. Yeah, I'ma hold you tight. It don't need to fight it. You say you don't believe in love, but after this you might. Do you believe in love? 'Cause I believe in love. You're the
Ooh. Is that my baby? That's my baby? Jalil is my baby. Yes. Jalila. Jalila. It's cold, yeah. It's that way, okay.
Because remember horse reel?
Yeah. Oh, hose reel. Hose, yeah, you have to look at it properly. You're right, my boy. Go, press it. We're going down. Four. No, press 1, sorry. Yeah, because they're going to 1. Let's find grandma. Do we exit here? Oh no.
AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap. now I wanna kill the vibe. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap, but now I wanna kill the vibe.
Yeah, I gotta protect my inner peace. Not everything will deserve my energy. I'm a Steve Jobs, yeah, I think differently. I block out noise and all decoys that limit me. Yes, and I'm fresh out the Apple store, the bag secured. I just put my AirPods on. I need time to recline. Be with my own thoughts. Pulling from deep down and into my own vault. I find beauty in the melodies, color in the harmonies. Life is like an odyssey. Don't wanna be rude if I'm vibing, don't you bother me. Music is medicine, and this is cardiology. Yes.
AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times.
But now I wanna kill the vibe. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap, but now I wanna kill the vibe. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? AirPods on, can you now I wanna kill the vibe.
Just broke up with the radio. Had to unplug from the stereo. Now we got the vibe everywhere we go. Turn it up high, it's incredible. Old school, slow jams, two-step, or just my day. Just like Janet, maybe Aaliyah. If I ain't got you, call me Alicia. And I see colors could fly. West Coast feeling like summer tonight. Joy unspeakable, I'm in a vibe. Wanna have a good time.
AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap, now I wanna kill the vibe. AirPods on, can you feel the beat? I just wanna have good times. AirPods in, small talk's cheap,
and I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna kill the vibe.
Come down. This way. Jalili, want to take a picture in that big chair? Want to take a picture in that big chair? No? Okay. He gets me in trouble. Come.
Destined for greatness, my name is written in stars, and I will give everything, all that I have to the cause. Fight against evil, run through the pain, battle it all, this is more than a game. I am a lion and I can't be tamed, it's how it was made, this ice in my veins, run through it all. No matter the odds, I will answer the call. The enemy knocks on the door. Even the greatest among us will fall, but the greatest will get back up. So I won't back down and I won't give up, and I will act now and I will stand up. They know that I'm here for it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting. I'll rise through it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting. I'll rise through it all. Rise up. Rise up. Yeah. Walking through the shadows, I see the hangman as he stands at the gallows. The breath of the beast, the gnashing of teeth. But I won't retreat, I won't deplete, I will succeed. I got all that I need. I am prepared for this moment. I see my future and my destiny is calling. The battle is on, I will rise like the sun. I'll get it done. One day I'll look back and see that we won. I hear victory song. This is my victory song. Rise up.